This 2021 Forest River Salem FSX 190 RTX PLATINUM Salem FSX is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, awning, oven, spare tire kit, water heater, external shower, skylight, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, stove top burner, microwave, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features couples coach, front bedroom, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Salem FSX 190 RTX PLATINUM Salem FSX is 4,480 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.